Welcome to Barricade Rides. Barricade here. We got a great video for you today. I ordered new saddlebags. I really needed saddlebags. My latches wouldn't lock, and on my left hand side saddlebag, the latch wouldn't stay closed. So it'd pop open, so I'm constantly reaching behind me, making sure it's closed. But we got some new ones. I got 5-inch extension bags, and I only paid $230 for them. Super stoked. So let's check them out and get them installed. Got some new saddlebags in. Three sets of keys. New saddlebags. Alright, to remove these saddlebags off of a 2009 Road King is very simple. So we just got these two things right here. We just simply twist them. Got one, two. So I'm gonna save all the hardware because I'm gonna reuse it. And on this one, it has a brake light built onto it, which I'm not sure if I'm going to reuse yet. So I just have to disconnect this cable right here, and boom. Right here we got the OEM saddlebag, and over here we got the new one. You can see the Christmas tree and the reflection and whatnot, but side by side there's a drastic size difference. So side by side, All right, there you have it. Super easy install. Saddlebags were absolutely cake. And always keep in mind, I'm not a mechanic, so if I can do it, so can you. And we did it on a budget. $236 roughly for a pair of sweet saddlebags. They fit OEM, and I didn't even have to paint them. So as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.